beautiful Nicolettes. Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, and if you are new, make sure you guys click that subscribe button before you leave. But anyways, today's video is going to be all around how to get that glossy, shiny hair that you see in literally every hair commercial. Everyone's hair just looks so shiny and flawless, and I'm going to share with you all my tips and life hacks on how to get shiny, smooth, glossy hair. If you guys like my hair videos, thumbs it up. I will leave my other hair hack videos down below. I recently did one all on how to fix damaged hair. So if you have any split ends or your hair is just extremely damaged, I definitely recommend checking that out. Question of the day, what is your hair color? I'm curious to know what kind of hair colors you guys have. And that being said, let's jump into the video. My first tip is to wash wisely because not all hair colors are created equal. Lighter hair is more susceptible to buildup, so it's shiniest when it's cleanest, while more darker hair colors are at their glossiest with well-conditioned second day hair. First, I'm going to share with you a DIY hair mask that's really great to get that smooth, healthy, shiny look to the hair. I like to do a DIY hair mask at least once a month. Doing an aloe mask is amazing. So all you have to do is take some aloe. You could take it freshly from a plant, but if you don't have that, you could use prepared aloe vera gel, but make sure the container says that it does not contain alcohol. Once you have your aloe, you're going to take a bowl and put 1 part aloe vera gel and 1 part warm water, mix it all together and comb it through your hair. And then I just let it sit for 30 minutes and then just put my hair into a low bun, putting a shower cap on top to really let it soak in. And I'll just go ahead and do whatever I have to do while it really soaks in. And then once the time is up, you are going to then wash your hair out and rinse out the mask. But if you are wondering why aloe is amazing for the hair, it is because aloe vera contains enzymes that really encourage healthy hair growth. It also has a similar composition to keratin, which is the main building block for your hair. If I want my hair to just look super shiny and on point, I always like to go in with a clarifying shampoo. My favorite is the Matrix Biolage Uplift Shampoo. So of course you're not supposed to go in with a clarifying shampoo all the time because it can be harsh if you're going to use it every single time. But it is important to use a clarifying shampoo once in a while to really help purge your strands of any trace of oil or gunk or leftover hair product. This is going to make your hair so clean and get rid of anything that might be holding your hair down and not making it look as great. I will leave any products that I talk about in my description box, but I love this shampoo. It smells amazing. It has black sesame and grapefruit in it, and it really helps to purify flat and fine hair. It also keeps your hair voluminous without stripping your hair. I definitely recommend checking the shampoo out, but of course, if you want to have that shine, you need to use a clarifying shampoo to make sure that you just get everything out of your hair. So I just applied that, really focusing it on my scalp, of course, and massaging it in for a few minutes. It lathers really nice, and then rinsing it out. When I'm not doing my DIY hair mask, I switch between 2 deep hair conditioning masks. The first one being the Deep Repair Mask by Macadamia Oil. This has always been a classic for me. And I also love doing an Argan Oil Deep Repair Mask as well. I will try and link both down below or similar ones, but I do like to always do a deep hair conditioning mask once a week, every single week. It's really going to help provide deep hydration, improve the health of your hair, and of course the shine and elasticity. I will just apply a good amount on the ends of my hair, let it sit in for a few minutes, and then I will rinse it off and wash it out. And this is just going to instantly make your hair feel smoother and softer. A couple products that I typically gravitate towards after I shower on my damp hair is the Marc Anthony Grow Long Caffeine Ginseng Rapid Grow Leave-In Conditioner. That was a mouthful, and I just like to spray it on the ends of the hair. This is going to detangle your hair and really help with breakage, but it also does provide and add shine to your hair. I always like to follow up my shower routine with a leave-in conditioner. It's just going to make sure that your hair is still hydrated hydrated and conditioned. And this leave-in conditioner is really great as well because it does promote longer hair growth. Caffeine is really great for promoting hair growth, so that is why I gravitate towards this leave-in conditioner in particular. And another hair product I love is the Matrix Biolage Deep Smoothing Serum. This is really great for controlling frizzy hair while also applying shine to the hair. So you just apply a pea-sized amount to the ends of your hair. Of course, you don't want to put really anything to the scalp so it's not super greasy. And I just like to kind of brush that in with my fingers. Another life hack is to really embrace argan oil. So argan oil is really great because it tames flyaways, it treats split ends, it prevents inflammation that can lead to scalp irritation, and of course it makes your hair look glossy. So when you are going to apply argan oil, just apply a pea-sized amount, really concentrating on the ends. You don't really want to put it near your scalp because your hair will look super greasy, but I definitely recommend adding argan oil into your hair routine. It's rich in beneficial nutrients including fatty acids and vitamin E, and it is known to really make your hair stronger as well. So it's definitely a go-to to add into your hair routine. My next life hack is to use a shine spray. So I love the Marc Anthony Coconut and Shea Butter Spray. This is really a great affordable spray that smells amazing, but it's perfect for sprucing up second day hair or adding definition to your hair. A shine spray is also really great because it can be the finishing touch to a smooth style, but you want to make sure that you're not overdoing it. Something I like to do is just spray a couple spritzes onto my hands, rub it together, and then just put it through my hair, of course avoiding the top of your hair, and then you can just brush your hair through and it just gives you that really glossy look. And my last life hack I have for you is to sleep on satin. So if you really want to avoid frizz and breakage and you want also maybe your blowout to last longer, it is to switch out of your cotton pillowcases and switch to satin pillowcases. This is just a lot better for your hair than cotton, and it's also going to just keep the hair super smooth. You can pick up satin pillowcases on Amazon. If I can find some, I will link some down below for you guys as well. But I have definitely recently switched over to satin pillowcases and I have noticed such a big difference, and I definitely love it so much better. It's also a lot better for your skin as well. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. It always helps me out. And don't forget to become a part of my family by clicking that red subscribe button because I do upload every single week on Thursdays and Sundays. But I hope you guys enjoyed and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!